Hello again, it's Noob, and well, this is an interesting padlock. This is a Federal Lock SRB52 resettable combination lock. It does come with its little combination reset key, and this is a 7 out of 10 security rating padlock. Now, this actually isn't a bad little combination lock. It's got very sort of tight tolerances. There is nowhere for you to get a bypass shim in here at all. I've tried to do the bypass technique where you just got sort of get in above one of the wheels, but that's hard because there's nowhere to get your pick underneath them, and when you can, you can't feel for the decoding fork. I've tried other tools and there's nowhere to sort of get your shims in between. I've tried the super flexible tools, nowhere for me to get one of these in either, even if I just bend the tip slightly to try to angle myself around the shielding. It's actually surprisingly hard to get any tools in here. I've even tried the little bypass technique where you get underneath one of the wheels and try to find the decoding fork, but it's very hard to get a pick, even a thin one like this, underneath the gap between the wheel and the base plate to even try that technique. Nothing really works. But I remembered seeing a lockpicking lawyer video for an ASA combination padlock, and there was seemingly a technique to push down on the sort of fork, the locking fork, to push it into the wheels and find the flat spot for the combination. So I'm going to try doing that now. This is probably going to turn out absolutely horribly, but we're all on zeros, we're unlocked. Put the key in and turn it. We're just going to give these wheels a so make sure it's this. Give these wheels a scramble like this, and we're just going to try to make sure that everything is in a an actual number, so it's all clicked in. I can't see what's going on there. We'll lock it back up, close it, and scramble those again like this. Okay, so I do not know the combination. We'll try all zeros. This is terrifying because this doesn't work. I've lost the code for this lock, which is a bit annoying. So there we go. Well, that doesn't work. So lockpicking lawyer's technique uses a bent pick, really, to get in between the body and the base plate like this, to push down on one of the I guess code forks, or the tines of the fork, which pushes down here. I'll show you what I mean. I've got a cutaway, and you'll see that between each of these wheels is one of these little tines, and these rest on top of the sides of these wheels, and when we have the right combination, and it's just going to be a similar mechanism, this fork, well, I'll show you, when it's locked, that bit is down. When it's the right number, it lifts up, allowing to unlock the lock. So if we can push down on the fork, we might be able to get this to decode. So first things first, I'm just going to use another sort of pick to get in there as a guide to shove in the tip of my broken tool, and then we'll just sort of shimmy it across. It can be a bit difficult to get in here because there isn't much space at all, but we got there. Okay, move this out. What we're trying to do is get this tool over into the center of these two wheels like that, and sort of try to push down, and then we're going to, like that, and we're going to try to find which one of these is binding, and oh, and we got the open. My goodness, that does work. And that was 0509. So somehow we managed to scramble us back to zeros on two of those numbers, which was more luck than judgment. But wow, I did not expect that to work. I really thought that I'd have basically bricked this lock. So yes, we have the SRB52 Federal Lock 4-wheel combination lock Decoded. That was scary. Anyway, look, if you like this video, hit that like. If you haven't subscribed to this channel and want to see more content like this, then please subscribe. Hit that notification bell for more content like this as it comes out. It really helps me out and I really appreciate it. If you have any comments, leave them down below if you try this technique yourself. Again, just want to thank Lockpicking Lawyer for his video on the ASA 4-wheel combination lock. This technique clearly does work. You just need to know what you're doing, where to position the pick. Don't try this on a lock which you like, because if you can't figure out how to do this decode, then it's it can be tricky. All you're doing, pushing down the code, feeling for the numbers to hit that flat spot and sort of lock in. Yeah, it's a fun technique. I'll give it that. So yeah, please, like I said, hit that like, hit that subscribe. Stay safe. Happy picking, and I'll see you all next time.